All right. We're back. Okay, apologize. You guys missed the very ending of the finishing of this app, but here it is right here. Now it says that I can play with the login, both business and customer demo login. Let's see what it looks like on the cell phone. All right. All right, so let's log in. See if you can actually log in. Oh, that's what it's talking about. Why green? All right, Sarah. First purchase, loyal customer, visit 10 times. Gold. Main store, redeem fresh coffee. All right. Available offers. I thought y'all had all that isn't fleshed out, huh? Okay. Day, night. I ain't even asked for that. That's cool. All right. So let's log out of here. Demo. Try the business demo. Okay. Customers. All right. 1,200 customers. That's good. 3 active promotions, 18,000 points redeemed, 4.8 on the customer satisfaction. Manage rewards. Let's see if that's not there yet. Send newsletter. I ain't even tell them to do that. They just did it. View. It made us ask for suggestions. It made that as a suggestion, but I didn't say yeah, nay. It just did it. Settings. Let's see what's there. Now, in case you missed the prior video, I will be connecting this to Go High Level. In case you don't know what Go High Level is, it's an all-in-one CRM platform that really can power a lot of the things that you would want your app to do. SMS, email. I'm going to integrate voice AI into this. Promotions. All right, so all of this, you know, so I don't remember if you were here or not when I chose how to. No, you were here. How to start this building process. It asked that if I wanted to do the entire app at once, it would take about 20 minutes, or if I wanted to do iterations, um, section off functionality and do it in steps that would take 5 to 10 minutes each. This took probably about 5 minutes, and I chose the steps. So all of this stuff is not working. This is just the first flow through. And what I'm doing right now at this minute is I'm trying to decide if I want to add Stripe here. Well, this is what I need to find out. I need to find out, keep iterating on design. I can start building the functionality of your web app. I need to find out if using the Go High Level API will give access to Stripe. And I'm not sure, I was thinking, I'm not sure if I want to do any type of payments on the app itself. But yeah, I think I probably need to have access to the Stripe API in the admin area. But let's see, I can't really, I have to speak to one of these. Let's add your API keys to get everything working. All right, so yeah, I can do it and add the key and then just say create a space for the key in the admin area. So I'm gonna pause you real quick as let's see. We can go over here right now. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna create an account. Create a separate account. I don't have to write it that way. Let's do it. So the sandbox is like a development tool. It's no real charge. You get fake APIs. I don't know if that's the correct terminology for it, but you get these APIs that uh, allow you to not actually get charged. Publishable key goes into the public. Secret key goes, well, let's do it the other way. Oh my God. Secret key goes to the secret key. Continue. Now, when we add any type of payment feature here, then it will simulate an operational function. Let's see. Let's keep iterating on design. Now, we don't need to mess with the design right now. Let's build some functionality up in here. So let's see what's next. Man. Oh. Looking at your PRD in the current design. Oh. Scared me for a second because I've been struggling with the PRD function of the last project. I thought it had got confused. It's talking about our PRD for this project. In the current design, I can see the core value is the loyalty point system with customer management. Let me implement the key features that will make this fully functional platform. Now, I'll create the complete database schema and implement the authentication system with all the necessary data modules for the loyalty platform. All right, let's pause it for a minute. Perfect. Great, the database schema has been successfully created. Let me continue building the authentication system and routes. So let's go ahead on over to Go High Level and set up that sub account. Or maybe, let me see something. Since this is local, I may just set it up here. So this is I guess you could call it a mini tour of some parts of Go High Level. So this is how you can set up a funnel. You got templates here that you can use. These things are ready to go quickly. I want something like this probably. Let's see what it looks like. From city transfers to tourist adventures. Oh, okay. Car rental place. Mm-hmm. I'll probably use this. Use this as maybe I might use this as a video demo and probably cut all of this off, really. Yeah, let's see what else is here real quick. Transportation service. Definitely like this color. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, that's the AI one. I like this dark one too. Well, let's see. No, I'm gonna use this one. I think I'm gonna use this one. So we just choose this template. Greensboro NC. Uh, Now I may change. Well, let's get back over here. Here we go. It's coming along now. Now the thing is, I was gonna tell it to add some color back there. It did it on its own. The thing is, build customer loyalty that lasts. This is business facing, and I want it customer facing. This is the type of landing page that I was going to build on Go High Level. It's already made. The landing page. Let's see what's happening here. Ready to transform your customer relationship. Okay. Start free trial. Learn more. Yeah. Somewhere we got it mixed up on what was the front facing page of the app. It's doing more. It's doing the complete build out for marketing. I was going to just do the app, present it to the customer, and Go High Level landing page is for the marketing, for the businesses. But let's see how it turns out. The question is, well, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So there must be another landing page once a business signs up. Now I don't recall specifying that for that to happen. I did talk about it being a app where businesses can sign up and have people sign up, clients sign up. Early stage, I thought I changed it to just one business. Maybe I didn't. Get started. But my question is, all right, once you have the business signed up, then the business takes possession of their account. What is it that they present to their members for the rewards system? Because it shouldn't be the same page, if that makes sense. See how this is providing the benefits of the loyalty program. Well, not really the benefits to the business, not to the customer. So we'll ask it about all of that once it gets done. But I think we already seen it because remember we had the business login and the customer login. So this is the landing page, I guess, and that login page is the one that each organization actually uses, I suppose. So I'm just gonna pause this and sit down somewhere. So after 12 minutes of work, the loyalty platform is now fully functional with real authentication. You can see the landing page with the Get Started button that will take you through the login flow. Is everything working as expected? Oh my gosh, here we go with the reference stuff. Third-party cookies blocked. Pause you. All right. You don't actually have to use the Replit login for your app. I'm going to see what options it tells me are good. We use Superbase, we use Post, what is it called? Post SQL, Firebase. Basic username, password, authentication, what it is, traditional email, password, sign up and login system, user experience, customers create accounts directly on your app with email and password, benefits, complete control, no external dependencies, works offline. Setup, available as a ready to use integration that replaces Replit OAuth. 2. Firebase authentication, Google login, what it is. Let customers log in with their existing Google accounts. User experience, sign in with Google button, no password creation needed. Benefits, most people have Google accounts, secure, no password management setup, available as Firebase integration that handles Google OAuth. Option 3, custom social OAuth. No. Option 4, magic link authentication. What it is, password, let's log in via email links, user experience, enter email, get login link, click link, no benefits, no password to remember, secure, simple setup, custom implementation with email service. Option 5, phone number authentication. What it is, log in with phone number and SMS verification, user experience, enter phone number, receive SMS code, enter code to log in. Benefits, works globally, no email required, custom implementation with SMS service like Twilio. My recommendation for a loyalty platform, I recommend option 1, username, password, or option 2, Google login, because username, password is simple, familiar, and customer expected for loyalty programs. Google login reduces friction since most people have Google accounts. Which option would you prefer? Works offline. We're going to do option 1. Keep in mind, I will be providing Go high level API. To as part of the hybrid approach that we agreed on for doing the creating the app. Perfect. I'll implement option 1, username, password authentication, and prepare for Go high level API integration as part of our hybrid approach. Let me set up this while keeping all of your loyalty platform features intact. All right, so let's finish over here. I have some. Well, I meant to ask it about this page because I might not need the landing page now. But anyway, so all you do in order to change this stuff up and go high level is highlight it, come over here, that's an image. It doesn't have to be an image, but to change out this image, you will come over here. Now you have to have your images in here. As you can see, I've been using Go high level extensively. Let me see what this looks like. I'm not gonna leave it here. I just want to see what it looks like. All right, you see that? So if you get a smaller image, then you still have this background color up there. Now you can just basically not have an image by messing that up, but you don't want to leave that there, so you want to turn that off. Oh, that's the image load. You want to go here and say, oh, that's the image. That's the image option. Where's this thing at? Well, some of these you don't have to have an image up there. I guess this one you do. But what you could do, something like this. What I did was made this in Canva. I think it was in Canva. For a different site, of course. But it's transparent and it's just words. So whatever you want to put up there, you know. Okay, I'm tripping. Now what we doing? What I can do is just delete it that way. I can figure out what's going on now. All right, we back. I just refreshed the screen. But you can just delete the image. also go in the section. I think that's the image right here. Let's see. What are we doing? This is all right. This is connected to Pixabay. So we can search for an image over here. Let's search for, all right, interesting. He done took the wheels off the car. Well, let's do this. That's gonna be hidden anyway. These just look like a hand wash though. Let's go over here to Unsplash. Keep in mind, this is just a filler image. This will change when someone actually wants to use. There we go.